everyone. Welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. In this session, we can understand the concept of what are unit cell, how to call it as unit cells. The unit cells are two types: simple or primitive unit cell and centered unit cell. Simple or primitive unit cell. And second one is the centered unit cell. What is simple or primitive unit cell? How it is called it as simple or primitive unit cell? When constituent particles are present only on corners position of a unit cell. That means the particles are present only on corner positions. So it is the primitive simple or primitive unit cell like this. And the second one, centered unit cell. What is centered unit cell? How it is called it as centered unit cell? When a unit cell contains one or more constituent particles present at positions other than corners in addition to those at corners. These are three types: face-centered unit cell, body-centered unit cell, and end-centered unit cell. Face-centered unit cell, body-centered unit cell, end-centered unit cell. Centered unit cell. What is the centered unit cell? When a unit cell contains one or more constituent particles present at positions other than corners in addition to those all corners. So the centered unit cell is three types: face-centered unit cell, body-centered unit cell, and end-centered unit cell. The face-centered unit cell like this. The particles are arranged like this. See here. It contains one constant particle, atom or molecule or ion. Any atom or molecule or ion. These particles are present at the centers of each face. Besides the one that are at corners. So this is called as face-centered unit cell. And second one, body-centered unit cell. What is body-centered unit cell? See like this. The diagrams are like this. The body-centered contains one constituent particle, atom, molecule or ion, anybody, as its body-centered beside the one that are at its corners. So it is called a body-centered unit cell. And second one is the end-centered unit cell. What is end-centered unit cell? Like this, see here. Look at the diagrams. It contains one constituent particle, atom or molecule or ion, present at the center of the any two opposite faces, besides the one present at its corners. So it is called as end-centered unit cell. The unit cells are two types: simple or primitive unit cell, and second one is a centered unit cell. The centered unit cell is three types: face-centered, body-centered, and end-centered. In face-centered, it contains any atom or molecule or ion. It is present at the center of each phase. So it is called as face-centered unit cell. And body-centered unit cell, it contains one constant particle at its body center besides the ones and or its corners. And a end-centered unit cell contains one constant particle present at the center of any two opposite faces besides the one present at its corners. So it is called as end-centered unit cell. Thank you. Please subscribe.